Dr. Armand Fritz, and this is Earl. He's here to join me today. He's my assistant. I've come to visit the Children's Museum to deliver some fun and happiness as you sit at your home. We are going to make some slime today. I know all of you like slime because who doesn't like slime? Everyone does. So we're going to make some right here, right now, today. Here are the things you will need. You will need some glue, just regular old glue. Then you'll have some liquid starch. You can find this, you can use it for laundry. Next you'll need a generic container to put your slime in. You'll need something to mix it with. I chose a popsicle stick. You can put some coloring in if you like. This seems to be dripping everywhere, but it just makes it more part of the experience. This is one of my favorite colors. It's on my lab coat here. You can also put in glitter, that is optional. And then our measuring cups here. I have 2/3 of a cup and 1/3 of a cup. It is perfect because it's 2 parts and 1 part. That's just the ratio you will have depending on however much you want to make. So let's get started. I will start with my glue here. We are going to do the 2 parts of glue. Bigger section of glue, we will pour it in. Careful, it is very gloppy and it can get very sticky very quickly. And then you'll be in a sticky situation. Ha ha. Okay, then you pour it into your container. Pour it all in and you may scrape it out with your popsicle stick or whatever you choose. Okay, try to get it all out because glue is like most of the important part of this recipe. All right, next we will do liquid starch. You don't have to put the lid back on because you may have to add a little bit more depending on how the consistency is. So you'll do 2/3 of a cup of glue and 1/3 of liquid starch. That does not look very great right now, but that's because we haven't mixed it yet. We are going to add some coloring as well. Now my blue is very dark, so we will not add a lot of it. We'll just add a little bit. And we'll add glitter at the very end. So we will start mixing it, and it looks very cool. Looks like the ocean. And it will take a little bit to mix, but if you want, this is a good chance to turn on a song, dance around and stir and dance and sing along. Mix it up. Now something exciting about this is that this is a chance to get a little messy because at some point it will get too thick to mix with the popsicle stick. So you'll take it out and start mixing with your hands, but not yet. You can mix it in. Now I think I might want my blue to be a little bit darker. So I might add a little more in, just a dot, just a dollar. Okay, there we go, perfect. Still messy everywhere, still part of the experience. Here we go, mixing it together. Now, I would like to show you something. That if it looks like this, and if it is too sticky, that is a sign that you need more liquid starch, okay? Remember that, too sticky, add more liquid starch. So it's kind of very gloppy like this. So we're going to add just a little bit more. And you might have to do this a couple times until it's just the sliminess of slime that you want it to be. There we go. Oh, much better, much better. Okay, mine looks like the color of I don't know what color. You can decide. Tell me what color you think that is. I mean, it's blue, but what it reminds you of maybe. Okay. Ooh, what do you guys think? Should I add more liquid starch? I'm going with yes. Okay, because I want to be able to play with this in my hands, and if it sticks all over, that's not fun. I mean, it is, but it's also messy. Okay. Oh my goodness, so much better. Okay, it is time for. Oh, it's so sticky, but it's so fun. Okay, here we have it. And you can start mixing it around. Oh, you will definitely have to wash your hands after this. Okay, and as you mix it more, it will start to have a better consistency. Mine's a little slippery right now, as you can probably tell. But it is very fun, and you can add, as you play with it more, you can add more or less, more slime, more glue, or more liquid starch to make it just the right consistency. And at this point, once you think it is a good consistency, is when I did not think this through. I'll wash this container later. We will add, oh, slippery hands, slippery hands. We will add some glitter to it. That's what lab coats are for, friends. Glitter, glitter, glitter. to our slime. And we'll see if we can mix it in. Oh, that is beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and now we have glittery slime. Feel free to make this at home and show us your version of Dr. Fritz's slime. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a wonderful day.